Reverse cumsum for countdown functionality in pandas. I'm trying to ascertain how I can create a column that counts down until the next occurrence of a value in another column with pandas that in essence performs the following functionality. In which the event column defines whether or not an event in a column occurs, true or not, false. And the countdown column identifies the number of subsequent rows/steps that have to occur until said event occurs. The following works for when one needs to count up to when an event occurs. However, this effectively achieves the inverse of what I want to accomplish. Is there a succinct method of achieving the former example? Thanks.
Use group v.cumcount with ascending equals false. There is last value 0 because sample data has only 7 rows and no another value after last. If logic is for last true is necessary, set 1.